Yes.
Okay. So basically, guys, the agenda for the first few minutes of this call, I wanted to let everybody know that I'm going to start a live developer training batch in which I'm going to cover Apex. We will also cover a little bit of integration project. So everything related to Apex would be covered. That is the second module. I just finished an admin training, and both of them are completely unrelated. Admin is more focused towards out of the box features, and now we are moving towards the next module, which is development. And then the third module would be the LWC, which is also very, very important from a developer perspective. This particular module is going to run for 6 weeks. So every Saturday and Sunday, we are going to do the class for 2 hours on Saturday and 2 hours on Sunday, 10 a.m. CST. So it will be 11 o'clock Eastern and would be around 8:30 p.m. IST. So if anybody from India wants to join or anybody in US, would love to have you on board. So it's going to be a 6 weeks training. Now, Salesforce development has been becoming crucial. Those days are long gone where people used to just have admin skills and they were able to get a job. There is an opportunity here and there, but majority of the employers are looking for the development skills. They want you to know programming, and programming has become more easier. Things people who used to be scared of programming, now it has become more easier with the tools like Agentforce Vibes, where you can ask them to rewrite the program. But even in to use those AI modules and AI tools, you still need to know how to write a program, right? Because sometimes the output those tool gives is not 100% accurate. So you still have to do your changes. They can write the boilerplate code for you, but you still have to know what you're deploying to your org. And majority of the jobs that is there out there are development related. And then from development, you can transition to and it make your life much more easier in the long run by transitioning to other popular clouds like finance cloud or health cloud. But having a development knowledge will help you throughout your career. So it's not just something you take this training and you only can become a developer, but having that developer knowledge, you will be able to grasp concepts more clear. You will be able to understand from a developer perspective. So in your current role, also having this knowledge will help you. So that's why Salesforce development is very, very important. Admins generally, they manage the systems, they basically build flows. But if there is any complexity needs to be added, if you want to do any kind of customization, you need a developer. Having a developer knowledge is always going to help you in your career. Times have changed. Development is becoming more day to day. Everybody wants a admin plus a developer role out there. And a lot of companies are looking for a developer, and you need more developers compared to admin in a workplace. Where you have one or two admins, you'll need 5 to 6 developers on a team. When you talk about development, it's not only having a knowledge of Apex, it's the combination of Apex, integration, and Lightning Web Components. All three will make you a good developer, and this training can help you becoming that Salesforce developer and also will help you jumpstart your career faster. If you will be taking any of these classes by yourself, you taking some offline courses, recorded courses, you need that consistency in order to go through those trainings. Whereas if you join this training, you will have that consistency. Every weekend you'll be working along with me, and also you will have assignments that will keep you occupied during the week. And we will also meet if needed. We will also meet on a Wednesday midweek to see if how you are doing with your assignments, and just going to be like an assignment workshop. That is what the training will include. What are the topics we're going to build? So we're going to start from the very basics of programming, talking about what variables and all of that, inheritance and constructors and all of that. And then we will talk about Apex triggers, SOQL and DML, dynamic Apex, QAble Apex, batch Apex, all the topics from the Apex programming we will cover. And then towards the end, we will also build small mini projects that will put things together. We will also talk about integration, because integration is something that people do have challenges on and they feel a little scared to think about integration. So we will do some mini projects around integration as well. So whatever I know, whatever experience I have gathered over the last 12 years, I will put together in this course. And these kind of courses doesn't happen very often. I'm not sure when will be my next training. Maybe it could be mid of next year, but I'm not sure about those things. And I might do some other modules as well, rather than just doing developer. So if you are interested, this is the time to join it, and you will definitely will be worthwhile. So these are the topics we're going to cover. It's a complete hands-on training. So from the very first day, we're going to have your Visual Studio Code set up, where you will start writing your code. And we will do a lot of examples related to each topic. And then slowly and gradually, we will move to more advanced topic. So it's not just going to be a complete theory, and it's not just going to be the same course you found on Udemy. It's going to be more better. And I won't say that was not good, but at least having a live interaction where you can ask doubts right on the fly will give you a different feel than going through a recorded courses on your own. The projects that we're going to build around this is just for Apex related. So a external API integration project where we are going to call an external service, get the call out, make the call out over there, and bring the data into Salesforce and show it over, probably through a Lightning Web component, which just going to be from the demo perspective. And then we are going to build a commission calculator where we are going to calculate a commission based on the opportunity close. We will calculate the percentage, things like that. So in there we use formula fields, Apex, all those things will be used in this project. So these are the two small projects that we will build in this training module. And so this is the topics is Apex fundamentals, advanced Apex, and then integration. So putting all of this together will be your developer module that will be covered. Not only that, we will also help you with mock interview preparation. So if you are somebody who is looking to get a job, then there is going to be a 2 rounds per person. So you're going to be a 1 round of 1 hour interview with them, with that candidate, to prepare you, to expect to show you what kind of questions to expect in the interview. We will also help you prepare a resume for you, give you a couple of projects that you can talk about, 1 to 2 projects which you can talk in your interview to your employer. It could be a Sales Cloud related, whatever clouds you have worked in the past or you know about it. We will build 1 or 2 projects around that, give you a description of it, overview of it to prepare. And then on top of it, this training will also help you get a Platform Developer 1 certification, which is one of the very important certification if you're trying to become a Salesforce developer. So on top of the Apex training, we will also do interview preparation, resume building, and the certification preparation. Who this training is for, purpose of this training is if you are an admin or a QA or a BA and you wanted to have a more secured career option, then Salesforce development is definitely for you. This training is definitely for you. And also, if you want to switch into Salesforce and you have already have an admin certification or you know out of the box features of Salesforce and you wanted to learn about Salesforce development, this training is for you as well. Again, the timings are going to be at 10 a.m. Central, so make sure you're available during that time. Every session is going to be recorded and it is going to be 2 hours long, and we will start from this Saturday, October 25th. If you have any questions, this is my phone number, my email address, and my website. Now, how do you enroll in this particular training? You basically go to the website, MyTutorialRack, and over here, there is a live training tab over there, and you go over to the live training, go through this whole page. Everything that is listed on this page is we are going to cover in it. So you have a small video to watch it. It's going to be around 6 weeks. So it could go a little bit over. I promise it won't be under, because the Apex is vast and it also depends on every student's capability. So I will try to keep the class at normal pace. I won't try to go too fast or too slow. If anytime pace needs to be changed, I will take feedback. At the end of once you join the training, you have to click on this reserve my seat. The price for the training, each module is $250. So Salesforce developer training, you don't want the admin because that is already finished. And the LWC, this LWC part will be covered by another instructor, and that will be in around December timeframe. So if you just wanted to test the waters, you just wanted to get an idea on how the training is, you can just enroll in this. But if you have full faith in me, I would recommend you to join both the trainings together, so that way you know that, okay, this time you can book yourself, but it's up to you. This is my developer training, $250, and for Lightning Web Component also is $250, and you will get the mock interview preparation, resume building, platform developer 1 certification, everything, integration preparation, everything would be part of this training. So you just have to click on it and click on the enroll button, and you'll be able to get enrolled. And once you enroll, I will be creating a special WhatsApp group for everybody who is on the developer training. And every notification and communication will happen through that WhatsApp group. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. And basically, I will be available 24/7 in case you need me for any additional stuff or anything that you are having issues with related to the training. I'll be definitely going to hold your hand in that. So I'm gonna do my best to give you a world-class training, but I also expect you to work along with me, do the assignments, practice it, and put your effort in there as well. So that is all I wanted to cover. I'm going to open up the forum for any questions, any discussions, whatever you want to talk about it. We can take it from here.